Let's talk about the food log submission real quick. And here's a real simple example. Now you can make yours a lot more fancy than this if you want to break it down instead of just calories and give me calories from fat, protein, carbohydrate. That's fine. The better it's designed, the better the grade will be. But I just want to give you the basics. You need your name on there, that it's your food log submission. You need the date, of course, because you're going to record 3 days what you ate throughout the day. Now, you may eat more than breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You may eat 5 or 6 times a day, smaller meals. It doesn't matter to me, but just break it down so that I kind of know. You could put the time of the day here. You have a lot of freedom on how you design this. The idea is for you to at least record for 3 days how many calories you eat. But you're going to have some days where you eat less, some days where you eat more, and 3 days is a good, reasonable sample to see roughly how many calories you eat in a day. And some people know this, but maybe some of you in the class have never recorded this, and you might be surprised. Maybe it's less than you thought, maybe it's more, but this is a good starting point. So don't just put item 1, item 2. I mean, tell me if it was scrambled eggs, if it was a hamburger or whatever, a drink of some sort. I put kcals down here because it's a kilocalorie to represent food calories. But just list what you ate for 3 days and then total it up. So you're going to total up each day, not 3 days total. So this was day 1, so I totaled all of these calories. And then down here at day 2, I totaled all of those calories. And I did that for 3 days. Pretty simple. Type it up in Word, and then you'll submit it to me. Now you're also going to see a video about how to use Map My Run and the food log in there. If you want to use that one, that's fine. It's optional. You don't have to. I know some of you don't all have the same technology or access to the same technology, and that's fine. So it might be easier for you to use Map My Run if you can access it. You can use the web-based application. You can use the app on your phone. It also has a database where you can look up food items. So you got a hamburger at McDonald's. You can type that in. If somebody's already entered it, the calories will be in there. And it's a pretty large database, so you should be able to find whatever you're eating. Especially if you're eating fast food, I don't think you'll have any issue. But each time you eat something, especially if it's prepared or in some sort of package, look at the nutritional facts on the back. If you eat something where you made it at home, you don't have any idea, try to find something in an online database. If you don't know where to find an online database, watch the video on Map My Run, and you can use the database in there because I give a rough idea of how to use the database, and it's pretty easy to use. So if you have any questions, just email me, but this is how you're going to do your food log.